No.
Buddy needs a hug to satisfy the cuddling addiction, but it's exactly what Human needs for stress relief.
He knew. Humans think they're in control, but this escape artist just taught them a lesson.
So my puppy already knows the sound right when he's about to get a treat. Watch this.
Elephants are actually excellent swimmers and can travel long distances through deep water when moving with their herd.
When life gets too boring, there's always those like this guy adding drama for no reason.
A second of being pregnant, do you hear me? Right. It's great.
Linda, flip your glasses. Flip your glasses up. Yeah, good.
Get it, Nemo!
Speak! Speak!
That's my foot.
Speak. Lily, speak. Speak!
It's not anything, Dad. Might be a wink. Oh,
Bosses, you can't be headbutting my kids.
I know.
Alright, listen.
Did you do? Who was here? Oh, Mo.
Looks like marking territory with sense is a bit outdated now, huh?
Pony, that's a pony.
No, that's a Doberman.
That's a.
It's your boy. No way I'm seeing this right now.
Squeak! Come on! Squeak!
Poor Buddy only wanted a peaceful view, but got yelled at immediately.
Puppies, 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 puppies.
When the doormat was washed, I realized cats work like doormats too. Pretty sure this kitty's got a full-blown case of being way too clingy, and when you were born a cat, but dream of becoming a turtle.
Who's tired of your photo shoot and wants a union break?
Don't worry. Sit down. Keep shooting. Keep shooting. It's okay.
The lambs are out! Our triplets are out! Camper, what's going on? The can't get Campbells, and there's Bo! I'm surrounded by lambs.
Give me a Reese cup. Get a Reese cup out of the fridge. Jimmy, you just gotta pull the rope here.
John, I'm trying.
No, you gotta pull it like this.
I'm trying to pull it this.
God damn it!
I'm doing something. Stop. Stop. Stop, Knox.
Hey, let me out of here!
Diesel, are you making a snowman?
You want a snack?
Is that a good scratchy spot, princess?
Looks like she's so into it. She thinks she's the dog.
Do you want to go in your crate?
I don't know. Oh, Harlow. Oh my God.
nó không làm gì đâu, mình chết nó đã luôn, nó độc thoại.
Hey! Oh, 你怎么这样？
No matter who the other side is, curiosity always wins in the end.
If you'd had any wine and doorbells, they'd both be gone now. Please.
I did math, and then I did homework. I planned my.
Oh, Lisa. That's Aphrodite.
Warning, do not turn off the fan unless you want to hear the husky scream.
If you mess up, just own it like he does.
Come here, Moskin. Do you want to come outside?
姐姐，妈妈来救你。对不起。
能不能进来？使劲！
不好意思，笑太大声了。
The dryer doesn't spit out your food, man.
born next to a nuclear power plant, has an IQ of 2, and got hit in the head with several rocks as a child. But boy, can this guy play basketball.
Tail on the menu looks delectably authentic, but 0 calories.
Her name is Cricket, and she.
Has a unique meow.
Right here, if you don't mind.
Man, I'm tired of people calling me cute. I gotta show them I'm a vicious dog. I'm vicious. Let me practice. I'm sorry.
Nigel! Fuck, get off! That's not your ice cream!
Win. Mira, hasta las dos andando en mi sopero. Vente. Me acuerdo cuando me... Vente. No.
Whether the cat could fix her washing machine.
Had to lend a paw. They will use it to play with you instead.
Boo!
Some dogs help with dishes. Most dogs...
Turns out someone's hunting posture just looks like an invitation to the puppy to sit on their back.
Me.
Faz. Boys, you can go past the kitty. Come on. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anita. Happy birthday to you.
Хороший мальчик. Выходи. Выходи. Молодец. Молодец.
What are you doing?
That's to be rescued, but safety is mandatory.
Got this mini boss was somehow stressful and scary at the same time.
No! Yes! Jenna! No!
Hi, Coco. I've had a good swim.
time.
Kids only remember lessons well when they're taught like this.
Ini bolanya.
Who do you think you're scaring? Only your carrier and medical tools work, okay?
Big happy guy, or just a happy guy, or just a look at that happy.
엄마.
아빠.
블랑이. 블랑이.
블랑이, 손.
블랑이.
To a child, water tastes good only if he has to fight to drink it.
Call your dog without actually calling your dog.
Come on.
Babe, her tongue. Why is her tongue hanging out like that?
She's yawning. Look at her.
Good boy.
Come here.
No need to say it. It's obvious they're siblings. What happens if you don't give your cat enough attention? They'll remind you with some mischief.
Oh my gosh. What do I do?
So pretty much, I said we're done. I said, we want two different things, you and I, and
you come.
Whoa, whoa,
Golly, get it out!
Oh dear, don't play the veteran bullying the newbie here. It doesn't look good at all, buddy.
Yeah?
When your baby doesn't play about her favorite toy.
The lesson about safety and the high ground advantage for observation has officially learned by little furball.
Help me!
When someone else does.
Me? Who's this?
Is that your best friend? Who's that? Is that your best friend?
Bigay yan kay Mami. Kay Lola yan. Pengi na yan. Kay Lola yan.
Landscape. Don't you sit on me. No.
There we go.
Damn it.
Unbelievable. You see what I have to deal with, Jen?
Get that dog. Get that dog. Keep jumping. Keep jumping.
Oh, you better be fast, Betty.
You shouldn't be up there, should you?
Hey, don't touch me! What do you want from me? Reflex check? I'm great at it. No need to test.
Get him, Rodney.
Fall out. You knucklehead. You did fall out.
One, two, three, 4, 5.
Bájate, bájate, Frida, bájate. Frida, bájate, bájate. No me sonrías. Frida, bájate.
Get it, Nemo. Go get it.
Weather forecast. Are we about to get hit by a tornado too? Are you serious right now, bro?
Holy shit. These are sunglasses. I'll be honest with you, son. I feel like the luckiest man in the world right now. I mean, well,
How many hearts do you see?
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. Oh my gosh! It's gone.
Not sure who the baby is, but both of them definitely need supervision.
You want to go on a car ride? Let's go.
We're going on a car ride. Let me look into my crystal ball. This video, we hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
高考你在干什么？
No need for toys when cats treat us as their favourite playthings.
Sit. Sit. Paw. Good boy. Other paw. Other paw. Other paw. Oh.
So far. When the zoomies hit, there's a very high chance the house will turn into a total mess.
The gray cat must have practiced this scene in front of the mirror for a long time.
Good girl. Look at you. You love it. What do you think of that, Lola?
This video, we hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
I need to put it on my head. Can you do that for me, please? Oh, yeah.
After miles in the ocean, the seal decided this girl was the safest pit stop.
Ancestors forgot the legs, but these goby are going hiking anyway.
Oye, no,
Come on, look at that face. Please give her the whole plate of cake.
no.
I'm gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Te amo, mi amor. Bésame. Te beso, verga. Ven.
Don't wait, girl.
Nah.
No need for investigation. This face says, this is not.
Bro's house is pretty handy, just maybe it's a bit too mobile.
Okay. Yeah.
We easily mistake that cute exterior and forget that kittens can be feisty too.
The big palm tree? It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even
Oh. Ayun na. Pushing ako ini pushing. Oh, nyakala niya ba? Ayun.
See? Cats don't always hate vet visits. Just a little gentleness does the trick. Catch you next time!
Ik ga wijn schenken. Ik ben het helemaal zat. Kom maar.
The bird perched on the sleeping cat's head, singing or waking it up. So funny.
Piggy got the zoomies.
Not everything smelling good is all edible, mate.
It was at this moment that...
No. No. Simba.
The best was when you're sitting with
Always in his own world. He really quiet for real unless he know you. He's funny as hell though, but if he know you type shit, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Introducing the latest sofa decoration art made by him.
Clearly, that Titan trigger is giving "get off my lawn" energy.
Oh.
I cannot.
You look just so adorable.
Vivi!
Traffic here doesn't have rules, huh? 3 vehicles actually have to give way to just 1. They love rummaging through the closet, but there's still boundaries and they can feel embarrassed.
No script, no acting, just pure natural comedy.
Mi hermano, corra por tu pelota de premio que se ha ido.
Whoa, what's that? I didn't say you could jump on me yet.
This is the best weather for huskies.
Maggie, what are you doing? Yeah, like. Oh my god.
Теперь обе.
Come on here. Mama gotta cook. So come on. Bring your ass in this house. Don't cock your head onto the side. Bring your ass in this house. Come on here. Come on. Mama gotta cook.
Did this human not wash up before touching me? No. Better stay away.
Silly goose. You silly goose.
When it comes to massage expertise, no one can top a cat's skills.
Swim bladder, which is why this catfish almost sounds like a cat.
You know what, Steven? I bop you.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Come here. Sit. Sit. Sit.